Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to look at how you can use the category sort feature in Smart Notebook to make an interactive activity for your students. You can download the template for this here. And when you've downloaded the template, it'll look something like this. The first slide has nothing to do with the category sort. It's just a slide where you can insert your own heading by clicking a few times here and typing it in, and you can insert some more text by clicking where it says insert introductory or instructional text here. The second slide is the actual template slide, and that's where you'll be creating the template yourself. And the third slide is an example that I've done earlier. Okay, let's have a look at this example. This is what the students see, and the way they need to work it is they need to just drag these text items into the relevant box. So they'll say steam, okay, that's a gas. They might say table, that's a solid, okay. Might say hydrogen, that's a gas. Water's a liquid. Might say Coke's a solid, okay. I might say oxygen's a liquid, so we get a couple wrong, and we'll put carbon monoxide over here. Once they've dragged all the words into a box, they click on check, and you get little ticks next to the ones that are correct and little crosses next to the ones that are incorrect. They can then go and have another go by moving some of these incorrect ones over and checking. Oh, you don't even need to check. Once you move them over, if you get them right, a tick will appear. Okay, and then reset. So let's show you how to make something like this. Okay, so we'll go to slide 2, and nothing's set up yet. So we've got to firstly decide, do we want 2 columns or 3 columns? For this particular example, we want 3 because we want one column to be, and here we'll type in the label, column 1 solid, okay, or solids, liquids for column 2, and gases for column 3. Now, once you type in each of those labels, you'll see a drop-down menu next to each label here, and you can choose whether you want that label to be a solid, a liquid, or a gas. Okay, so label 1, let's type table, and that's a solid, okay. Label 2, let's type water, and that's a liquid. Label 3, let's type oxygen, and we'll change that to gases, okay. Then we might type carbon monoxide in this one, and again we'll change that to gases. Alright, we might type in chair here, okay, and that's a solid, okay, and we might type in, okay, Coke here, and that's a liquid. Alright, so 6 is enough for you to get the idea. We've pretty much finished now. You can choose whether you want the solve button there or not, okay. If you do tick that solve button, then when you click OK, the students can just click solve and have the answer given to them. If you'd prefer not to have that button there, leave that unchecked, and then you can see that the button has disappeared and students can't actually get it solved for them. Of course, the students can click edit and make a lot of changes themselves. If you don't want them to be able to do that, then click this password button and type in a password and just make sure you remember it, okay. That way, when you give this file to the students, they cannot edit it unless they know the password. Okay, that about sums up this tutorial. I hope you enjoy the template, and I hope your students get a lot of use out of it. Thank you.